I want to see the face.
I hear the voice.
Don't know Chef Reid
And Chef Alexander here.
coming to you with the next epic video. So here we want to go back King and Ali and subscribe, guys. Yeah, and remember, like while watching.
To the end, no stopping.
Subscribe while you're at it.
Drop a comment, don't forget it.
Taking in the intro.
We're so forward.
We're soon forward.
Welcome back, guys. So here we are doing a pork chops, and these are the ingredients. We have our garlic powder, onion powder, our mother seasoning, salt and pepper, and our green seasoning, along with our pork chops.
Alright guys, so let's get right tonight. So remember guys, to season from high, so it's evenly spread.
Yes,
so I'm going
guys.
to sprinkle a little onion powder on it. A little garlic powder.
And be generous with the seasoning, guys, because flavor, seasoning equals flavor. And in
salt
everything,
and pepper.
you must have flavor and taste. Salt and pepper or mother seasoning.
Little green seasoning.
Yes. This green seasoning contains Scotch bonnet, so if you cannot take the pepper, you just use your gloves, right? But we're just going straight in, guys.
Massage it in.
Yes. Look at that meat. Beautiful, right?
Now we're gonna give it a turn.
And repeat.
So onion powder again, guys.
Yeah.
Garlic.
Yes.
Salt and pepper.
Mother seasoning. And some of that green seasoning once again. Rub him up. And guys, you can do this and allow your meat to marinate overnight or however long you have. But this flavor is on point, guys. So we're just gonna allow this to marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. So we soon come back, guys.
So forward.
Yes, guys. Yes, guys, so this is it. We just showed you one because it was a repeated process. So there you have it. And this is a catering order, guys. So you can always place your orders as well.
Yes guys, so I'm gonna add some oil because oil spreads the flavor.
Yes, guys, and remember, seasoning equal flavor, and in everything you do, you must have flavor and taste, right? And if you have a brush, you can use your brush at this point to brush it on, or you can use your time.
I can use my hand.
Straight in.
The oil helps to spread the flavor, guys, as I said before. Rotate. Let's put some oil on the other side. Rub it in.
Yes, guys. And you can let us know which recipe you'd like to see us try, or if you have something that you've always wanted but you don't know how to do it, you can just leave it in the comment section and tell us, and we can do it and you have that recipe, right? Thank you so much, guys, for the love and support that we've been getting. We really appreciate it, guys. Thank you, thank you. A happy new year. May the Lord bless you and lots of blessings your way, right? So now that you get the drift, guys, we'll see you again when we're gonna place this in the oven. Soon come. Yes, guys, we're gonna place this in the oven, and we are going to allow this to stay in there for 15 to 20 minutes, and you can give it a check or a turn every 5 minutes, right? So that's what we're gonna do. So you'll see us again when we're giving it a check or a turn. Soon come. Yes, guys, it's that time, so we're just gonna give this a check. Look at that, coming together beautifully, right? Ooh, guys, fire heat hot. Look at that, beautiful, right? Can smell The seasoning, the aroma is just perfect, guys.
So I give this 10 more minutes now the oven, guys. You ready?
Yes, guys.
Make it brown a little more.
Yes, guys. Soon come again. Something wrong with the video? Yeah, something wrong with the video because you don't like it, you don't subscribe yet, you don't drop that banger comment there yet, so I give you 1 minute for do that. Supposed to do that now? Alright, we could get into the video. Yes, guys, look at that.
So give it a final turn. I'm gonna seal back. I remove all guys.
You realize it has some color, and I can tell you guys, this is very aromatic. It's a perfume for the kitchen. Yes, guys. Beautiful. Soon come again.
Soon come again. The next time I'm gonna see you, as I tell you.
Remove all time. Look at that, guys. These are ready to be removed. So you know, we're gonna show you guys a little bit of the packaging, and then that is it. And remember, guys, place your orders. Whatever you want, we will cook it, right? Beautiful, nice and juicy.
Arju.
Perfect.
Alright, guys, so soon forward again.
Soon come back, guys. Don't go nowhere now. Soon come. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and spam up the comment section, and watch the ads. Soon forward. Yes, guys, look at that. Look at that. Yes, guys, there you have it, or jerk apple pork chops, and we have some guava rum wings. Yes, guys, place your orders now. What you waiting on? And remember, follow us on our socials. Pictures will be posted over there. It might not be these pictures, but we always post pictures over there. Ensure that you're following us. I don't know, would it be completed if we hadn't garnished everything, right? Yes, guys. So until next time.
Bye, foodies. Bang, bang, boom.